Prostate cancer is a serious medical condition and has been estimated to affect on average 1 in 8 men in the United States alone. So today's video is very important for you to watch. There's a very simple, delicious, widely available, and one of the healthiest foods that can be your natural ally in the battle against prostate cancer. In this video, I will tell you about tomatoes. They contain a powerful compound called lycopene, which has been scientifically shown to have anti-cancer properties. So let's see how it works, how much lycopene you can take every day, how to prepare tomatoes to get the most lycopene out of them, and much more. So let's begin. Number 1. Antioxidant power. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are basically substances that can protect your body's cells from oxidative stress or free radical damage. Free radicals are basically unstable molecules produced in the body during normal metabolic processes, especially when you smoke, drink alcohol, go out into the intense sunlight that contains UV rays, consume too many processed foods, unhealthy snacks, foods high in saturated fats, drinks high in sugars, and even certain medications. So you can think of free radicals as byproducts when your body breaks down certain chemicals and compounds when they get inside. Anyhow, these free radicals can react with your organs, tissues, cells, DNA, and almost everything they touch, and can damage them in the long term. So your cells and tissues are almost consistently under a state of stress, which is scientifically referred to as oxidative stress. Plus, this free radical damage often leads to inflammation, which in the long run can trigger the progression of cancers, including prostate cancer. Now, antioxidants are chemically opposite to these reactive molecules. So they can essentially react with free radicals before they react with your body and neutralize them. So they can effectively protect your body from damage and reduce your risk of developing cancers in the first place. Lycopene in tomatoes is one of the most powerful antioxidants. In fact, according to a 2002 study, higher consumption of lycopene-containing foods, particularly tomatoes and tomato-based products, is associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Number 2. Cell cycle control. Our body has a natural process to trigger the production of new cells, but free radicals can mess with it. And when that happens in your prostate gland, your prostate cells may divide uncontrollably, leading to tumor growth. Now, lycopene's antioxidant properties neutralize these harmful free radicals. Some studies even show that lycopene can affect the expression of certain genes involved in the cell cycle, eventually preventing abnormal cell growth and development of tumors in the prostate. But there's something even more impressive. Let's see what it is. Number 3. Apoptosis Induction. Apoptosis is basically the process of programmed cell death, sometimes referred to as cellular self-destruct. It's an essential mechanism in which our body tries to get rid of the cells that have been damaged, are no longer needed, or have undergone DNA mutations. Apoptosis helps to remove these cells without causing inflammation or damage to surrounding tissues. Luckily, lycopene has been shown to induce apoptosis in prostate cancer cells. In other words, it can make those cancer cells self-destruct, which is particularly important for controlling the progression of the disease. Think of this effect as a natural form of chemotherapy targeted at cancer cells without harming your healthy cells. Number 4. Hormonal balance. In the context of prostate cancer, high levels of androgens, particularly testosterone, can contribute to the growth and progression of the disease. But the good news is that lycopene has been shown to interfere with certain enzymes that take part in the growth and development of prostate cells. This can help slow down the progression of the cancer. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to an increased risk of cancer development. Lycopene has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce chronic, low-grade inflammation in the body. Think of it like a natural healing process. Lycopene helps to heal your prostate cells, reducing the risk of cancer taking root and spreading in there. Number 6. Angiogenesis inhibition. Angiogenesis is basically the process in which new blood vessels start forming around the cancer cells and provide nutrients and oxygen to the cancer cells. Studies have shown that lycopene can inhibit angiogenesis, essentially putting a halt on the formation of new blood vessels in the tumor and depriving the cancer cells of essential resources. Number 7. IGF interference. Insulin-like growth factor, or IGF, is a hormone-like substance that plays a role in cell growth and division. High levels of IGF have been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer development and progression. Luckily, lycopene can interfere with IGF receptors and acts as a signal jammer, which means it blocks the signals that could tell the cancer cells to grow. This way, lycopene can potentially prevent prostate cancer from progressing further and causing further complications. So I hope you can see how powerful can lycopene be in reducing the risk of prostate cancer and preventing its progression. Now let's see how to prepare tomatoes so that your body can absorb lycopene most effectively. It's really simple. All you have to do is cook them. And surprisingly, tomato-based products like tomato sauce offer as much as 4 times more bioavailable lycopene than raw tomatoes. When you cook tomatoes, whether in the form of sauce, paste, juice, or soup, it breaks down the cell walls and increases the availability of lycopene. This means that your body can better utilize the lycopene, unlocking its full potential. But always watch out for the unhealthy ingredients that are often present in many commercial tomato-based products, like tomato sauces and ketchup. They often contain added sugars, salts, and preservatives that can do you more harm than good. Instead, take a look at the ingredients and nutrition facts table before buying tomato sauce, tomato paste, tomato juice, or passata, and ensure that they don't have sugars or any other additives. Another important thing to note is that lycopene absorption is further improved in the presence of dietary fat. However, not all fats are created equal. Avoid highly processed and low-quality vegetable oils and opt for healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil cannot just enhance lycopene absorption, but it also provides other powerful antioxidants and healthy fats that can contribute to your overall health. Now let's see what is the appropriate lycopene dosage and how much of it is safe for you. Well, studies have shown that lycopene is exceptionally safe, with no reported side effects in humans or animals. In fact, doses exceeding 20 or 30 milligrams a day offer not just safety, but additional health benefits. But do ensure that you take lycopene from natural dietary sources, like tomatoes, because they provide a more natural and balanced amount of lycopene that your body can absorb easily. Too much lycopene, particularly from lycopene supplements, does have side effects. These side effects include diarrhea, nausea, stomach cramps, feelings of indigestion, skin discoloration, though it's usually harmless, and changes in blood clotting factors, especially if you are already taking medications for that. Now, the million-dollar question: how much lycopene should you consume daily to effectively fight prostate cancer? The recommendations vary across studies, with some suggesting as little as 6.5 milligrams a day, while others go as high as 30 milligrams. However, clinical trials on men with prostate cancer revealed astonishing results. During research, a group that consumed just 4 milligrams of lycopene a day experienced significantly higher survival and significantly better clinical responses. Based on the available evidence, many experts recommend aiming for a daily intake of 20 to 30 milligrams of lycopene daily. What does 20 to 30 milligrams look like in your daily diet? It's approximately 4 to 6 servings of raw tomatoes or just half a cup of tomato paste. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.